Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Your friend Jim is here to share more about English literature. Today we will discuss about comparative study, its importance and different types of questions asked about it. Let's start our video from the slides. Comparative study. Comparative study literature. Comparative literature focuses on the study of literature from different cultures, nations, and genres, and explore relationship between literature and other forms of cultural expressions. Focused study of two literary traditions and advanced skill in a second language are required for the concentration. The definition of comparative literature is the study of writing from different countries. An example of comparative study literature is a type of class that looks at difference between British and American fiction writing. What is meant by comparative literature? Now, the study of the literature of two or more groups differing in cultural background and usually in language, concentrating on their relationship to and influence upon each other. What is the scope of comparative literature? Comparative literature is an interdisciplinary field whose practitioners study literature across national borders, across time, period, across language, across genres, across boundaries, between literature and other arts, music, painting, dancing, film, etc., across disciplines, literature and psychology as well as philosophy. Who are the pioneers of comparative literature? Transylvanian scholars Hugo Meltzer, the chief editor of the first journal of comparative literature, Acta Comparationis Literarum Universum, and Irish scholars Hutchison, Macaulay, Posnet, and the author of Comparative Literature 1886 have been largely referred to as the pioneer of the disciplines. Is the two types of literature. Literature can be classified according to whether it is fiction or non-fiction, whether it is poetry or prose. While we study comparative literature, a fundamental project of comparative literature to cultivate reading across linguistic boundaries in order to highlight everything that the exclusive focus on national literature tend to obscure. But literature and reader have both always range outside the boundaries of one national language. Three things must be kept in mind while comparing two masterpieces. Number one, setting. Number two, themes. And number three, characters. Thanks to watch the PPT video. Please subscribe my channel to get videos on different topics regarding social life and literature.